Hello friends, welcome on board. Today I am preparing my favorite drinks, which is iced vanilla matcha latte. And let's check our ingredients. I will use oat milk, which is without sugar, and then I will use the vanilla syrup, again in sugar-free. You can use whatever you want, just for the taste. You can use whatever you want to taste. If you want vanilla, if you want strawberries, because the matcha can be a little bit strong. And then I will use this matcha from USA. This is really good. And here is the matcha set. This is the important part for the preparation of the matcha. And most important thing is the water degree. It is required just the hot and warm water, not the boiled one. That's why I think mine is okay. Then I will use these ones. Firstly, for one cup of iced matcha latte, 1 spoon is enough. I will put 2, but you can also increase the amount of matchas. The matcha is always good with the sunny sailings and morning relaxing. Matcha is always good for relaxing mornings or sunny sailings. It's easy to prepare without any tool. It doesn't matter that can use or not use these ones. All good. And we will put water. It's not boiled water. And then we will stir. It needs to be smooth as much as possible. We need to stir well. You can check the smoothness from here. There is no any granules or no any particles. It's ready to drink. Yes. I put a little bit ice on my cup. And oat milk. Around 1 or 2 spoons I am using the vanilla syrup, and I will use a little bit mixer. And it's ready. Cheers.